Hey folks, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw an old favorite of mine and one of my top favorite Pokemon in the world. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Regirock. And Regirock, he's known as the Rock Peak Pokemon. He's a rock type. His body is completely made out of rock. And if any part chips off in battle, it attaches rocks to repair itself. And if you ask me, Regirock is possibly one of my favorite Pokemon in the game, and one of the strongest Pokemon I ever received. He's kind of like my Pokemon hero. I'd love to have him in my entourage, especially if the next game ever comes out. So, anyways, Regirock, he's one of the Regi trio, kind of like the other Pokemon that I had in my disposal. I did have a Regirock in Omega Ruby, but I ended up trading it for a Mudkip by accident in part of a plan to get another legendary Pokemon. That sort of thing went to a total bust, and I kind of miss it, but I gained it back in Pokemon Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon. Since that day, I promised myself I'd never make that mistake again. Plus, I got myself a Regirock EX card just to cheer me up. Plus, here's another thing. When selecting a Pokemon pack, you need to choose wisely before you can choose the right one. You see, collecting Pokemon cards aren't easy because you never know which one you're going to get, especially if you want the legendary ones. Even the EX or GX cards. The problem is, it takes time before you can collect them, and it's a lot to take in before you decide to select a character that you like, especially the EX or GX cards on the booster packs. But the next time I get a booster pack, I'll try to think twice and select the right one. Remember, select well, select wisely, and you'll be able to get a Pokemon pack in no time. You don't have to be so careless when selecting the cards. So, anyways, Alexa, play Dragon Ball Heroes.
Here's Dragon Ball Super. Broly, Dot Beat Rod Rossi by Nordex on Amazon Music.
Okay, I'm drawing his leg. There's his leg. There's his leg stone cards here. Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Here's Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission by Mark.
There we go.
On Amazon Music.
Alexa, what is Symbospondylus?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Alexa, what is Lyopleurodon?
Leiden is a name.
Okay, sorry about that, folks. Alexa, what is Lyopleurodon?
Leiden is a name.
Okay, we're having a little bit of difficulties here. Make sure to draw some stones here on his body.
With a slam, 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 start the battle in a jam, jam, jam. The final hit is a bam, bam, bam. This heartbeat pounds my head, let's get started. First we're getting pumped.
There's his foot.
Winning in the rock, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, time is set. Through the universe and its threats, my heart's dancing to its beat.
Alexa, what is Dolly Corinne Cups?
According to an Alexa Answers contributor, is an orange-flavored triple sec liqueur produced in Saint Barthélemy d'Anjou, France. It is consumed as an aperitif and digestif. 4. And is a component of several well-known cocktails. It was originally called Curaçao Blanco Triple Sec. 5. Despite the orange bottle, Cointreau is colorless. Did that answer your question?
Yes.
Thanks for your feedback.
And done. That's how you draw Regirock. If you want, you can pause the video if you want. And if you must know, Regirock's arms have like 3 piece satchels of stone here. And be sure to add a few boulders, like for hands. And let me tell you about his attacks. His attacks are Explosion, Stomp, Rock Throw, Curse, Superpower, Ancient Power, Iron Defense, Charge Beam, Lock On, Zap Cannon, Stone Edge, Hammer Arm, Hyper Beam, and Bulldoze. Basically, those are all of Regirock's moves. And if you ask me, this guy, he's like one of the best Pokemon I've ever drew. And he's awesome. And that's how you draw him. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I'll let you guys know what awesome Pokemon I'll draw you guys next. Anyways, that's how you draw Regirock. Have a nice season. And all hail the mighty Prince Vegeta!